Now let us discuss the basics of compound interest. In English, compound means add together. So here in compound interest, the interest is added to the principal, that is the initial amount that is invested. Let's take an example and explain this. Let rupees 100 be invested at 10%. So at the end of year 1, the interest obtained is 100 into 10 by 100 is equal to rupees 10. Of course, this is same as the simple interest concept. But at the end of year 2, this 100 rupees obtained as the interest at the end of year 1 is also added to the 100 and taken for calculation. So at the end of year 2, 100 plus rupees 10, which was as the interest at the end of first year, into 10 by 100. So now at the end of second year, we will be getting rupees 11 as the interest. At the end of year 3, the interest obtained at the end of year 1 and year 2 is also added to rupees 100. So we add 11 also, which was obtained at the end of year 2 in the calculation. So now we will be getting rupees 12.1 as interest at the end of year 3. Now at the end of year 4, we also take into account the year 3 interest, year 2 interest, year 1 and interest along with 100 and calculate the interest obtained at the end of year 4. So we include 12.1 into 10 by 100. So we get rupees 13.31 as interest at the end of year 4. The formula to calculate the amount that is maturing or the initial amount invested plus all the interest year wise is given as total amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N, where P is the initial amount invested, R is the rate of interest and N is the number of years. In this example, rupees 200 is invested at 5% interest for 3 years. So let us calculate the total amount maturing at the end of 3 years. So total amount equal to, using the formula, 200 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3. So 200 into 1.05 the whole cube. Doing the calculation, we get rupees 231.525. So to find the interest, we have to subtract the initial amount invested from this 231.525. So the compound interest, total compound interest obtained in 3 years is equal to rupees 31.525.